The Balance organization recently proposed changes to accelerated staking. The FHM Stakeholders DAO has accepted these changes with a greater than 90% vote. By the end of this video, you'll learn the best approach to unlocked and accelerated staking. Unlocked staking is a one-step earnings option available to any FHM holder. Visit the link shown on your screen or in the description and connect your wallet. Approve your FHM spending limit and stake your holdings. From this point, you'll earn 1% yearly. This is similar to a standard banking interest rate and allows investors to date FHM before committing to a longer-term investment. Once you've entered an unlocked staking position, you may accelerate your earnings by increasing your time commitment to the FHM protocol. To do so, first select the wrap option on the left-hand side. Approve your sFHM balance and convert it to wrapped staked FHM. This will allow you to accrue sFHM rewards without gaining additional tokens, which reduces investor tax liability in many regions and prepares you for the next step. Next, under the staking section on the left-hand side, select the accelerated 90 or 180-day pool. The remaining 99% of the FHM protocol's rebasing potential is split between these two tax-deferred investment pools. Once you've entered an accelerated staking position, exiting your position early will cost you a fee equaling 3% of your holdings. While the APY between the two pools is highly variable based on the TVL between all stakeholder positions, the 180-day pool will always receive the higher rate of return versus the 90-day pool. To enter an accelerated staking position, approve your WSFHM and stake your holdings. Look for our video on how to calculate accelerated staking returns linked on the screen now. Visit our links in the description for more information on the decision-making and governance that led the Balance organization to these innovative choices. Like the video and subscribe for more content on the Balance ecosystem.